Today we are going to discuss about inside the class in C++. Okay, today we are going to discuss inside the class in C++. Okay, so for class, okay, so we can take the syntax for class is what class followed with the class name. So we can take the class name is anything like just I'm giving example as a person is a class, okay, class name, and the class is a keyword. So I'm just going to write the sum of any two numbers. So I'm going to declare any two variables, okay, int a and int b. So these are what? These are my data members. These are my data members, okay. Similarly, we can declare the specifier. Why we are using public specifier? So we can easily access any class can access from the any method from any class, okay. For that we are using public specifier. Similarly, I can define any number of the member functions. Just I'm declaring any member functions like input, okay. So this is for just I'm writing one member function, and where I am just declaring the just initializing. So just I want to enter the value of a and b, okay. So enter the value, just writing the message of. So this is not mandatory, we have to write this one. So for the understanding, we are writing this message, okay. So we are giving the user input value. For that I am using the same, okay, follow with a and b, okay, because we have two input values, okay. So this is my one member functions. Similarly, I am just declaring one more member function, okay. So that is for what? That is for displaying the result, okay. So we can create any number of the member function, okay. So that is not an issue. So here what I am going to do, just so according to the question we have to calculate the sum of any two numbers, okay. Just I am creating the sum of two numbers, okay. I just storing the some variables, okay. Similarly, just I want to print the result, okay. So we can write cout with along any message the result of C. So we can write any variables, okay. Is C is the, okay. So just I am closing the main function and closing the class. So this is the termination of the class. So main function is required. Why the main function is required? Because for running any programs in C or C++, any program main function is required to execute our program. So here my class name is what? Persons, okay. So I can create the object, okay. I can create the object of this class. So I can give the name as anyone. So P1 is my object. So what is this one? P1. This P1 is my object. You can say the object. So this P1 is my object. So I can call the member function. What is the use of object? Object is used to call the member function with the help of dot operators. So what are the member function we have support? We have input in the member function, display in the member function. So just I am calling P1 dot input, okay. Similarly, we have another member function called P1 dot display. Okay, so here I have declared two member functions, so we can call the member functions likewise, okay. Then finally we are returning 0 because this is a main function, okay. So in this way, this is the concept of inside the class, okay. Why it is called inside the class? Because we are trying to add all the messages we have inside the class. That's why it's known as inside the class, okay. Please subscribe my channel. The channel name is Yes and Yes Lab. S&S Lab Technology. Thank you so much. Thank you.